Hi. So we are going to address the most burning issue, that is private limited versus LLP. Hi, this is Rishi.
Hi, this is Raj.
We are from Invest in Pre-Leased. We help you profit from curated pre-lease proposals. So today we have a very dynamic personality amongst us. Let me introduce her. Krupa Joisar, a company secretary and fellow member of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India and LLB graduate from the Government Law College GLC Mumbai. She is passionate about corporate laws and has worked with a reputed practicing CS firm and got hands-on experience with leading with one of the India's largest corporate sectors, that is construction industry, handling corporate restructuring, legal due diligence, drafting agreements, rendering opinion on diverse issues under Companies Act, FEMA, NBFC, and has represented her clients before NCLT, SEBI, RBI for more than 9 years now. She has a passion and commitment towards her work and thus empowering her firm and all the stakeholders. We welcome Krupa. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Raj and Rishi, for such a wonderful introduction.
Do designated partners have more responsibilities or more authority vis-a-vis the director of a private limited company?
So see, for a private limited company, the directors run the show. Similarly, in LLP, the designated partners run the show. Okay, so they both are responsible for a private limited company. The directors are responsible for the shareholders and running the show and to comply with the various laws and to make sure they make the right decisions so that there are consistent profits, consistent turnover, and also even for LLP the same thing. But generally what happens, designated partners are the partners whose names are visible on the ROC website. Okay, so when you log in and if you put and you search for a LLP, you will have the list of designated partners. So generally the partner's name is not visible on the ROC website. However, that doesn't mean that partners are not responsible for the act of the other partners or for the LLP. So again, LLP agreement defines it very well that who will do what. But you just cannot say just because a person is not appointed as a designated partner, he is not responsible or he is not going to do certain things. That's not the case.